Hi, I'm Tony Leedy, Customer Support Manager at Lyco Manufacturing. Today I'd like to introduce you to Lisa Adam, our Parts Manager. We're going to talk about snipper drums and parts inventory.
Here's a snipper drum currently being rebuilt. In this scenario, the customer purchased a complete replacement drum, including pockets, baffles, cylinder rods, end plates, running rings, and sprocket. If your end plates still have life in them, we can also supply you with a new drum that has temporary end plates, allowing you to reuse your existing ones. In addition to rebuilding snipper drums, we also stock many parts, including knives, pockets, and trunnions. Our goal is to get you the parts you need when you need them.
Servicing and supporting our customers is a top priority, especially when it comes to keeping your equipment running smoothly. Our service team is here and available to you 24/7. Please call 920-623-4152 and ask for our parts department, or email us at parts@lycomfg.com.